up, guys? It's your boy Stickers, back with another video. Right now we are on our way to a Cars and Coffee. We are going to Exotics and Espresso. This is the first time the Honda, the Fireblade, the RRR SP is going to Exotics and Espresso. That dude was like, what the f just passed me? That was funny. You should have seen his face if you guys didn't get to see it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Prius. But yeah, right now we're on our way to Exotics and Espresso. Whoa. But, sorry, I feel like there's something flying in my visor. Like there's a hair or something in it that keeps bouncing around. But, I seen it again. Give me a second. Alright. I think we got that all figured out. That was weird. Not sure what it was, but felt like there was something flying around in my visor. Hopefully the hair or whatever it was, it got blown out when I opened my visor. But like I said, right now we are on our way to Exotics and Espresso. If you do look like the freeways are empty for it being 9:30 in the morning, it is 4th of July weekend. This is coming out way later. This will be coming out while I am on my trip, and I will currently be in Sweden. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram, there will be a lot of cool content I'm posting, like a travel vlog of me going to Sweden and Denmark for a little post-graduation celebration. I will be getting the rest of my tattoo, as a lot of you guys know out there, and I'll be filming all of it, just having fun hanging out. But yeah, no, back to this. It is the day after 4th of July. The roads are empty because literally everybody is hungover. 4th of July landing on a Friday was pretty crazy. I did go down in the Newport area. It was an absolute madhouse down there. So many people. Crazy. I don't think I've seen so many people at the beach at one time. Now I understand why everybody says like it's the #1 place for people to go is Newport Beach on 4th of July. Now it makes sense. So my first year out on a 4th of July weekend, I've always stayed home with the family, lit off fireworks, hung out, barbecued, but it was crazy. But you know, right now we were going to get to Exotics and Espresso here shortly. We're going to film probably there. Hopefully there's some cool cars. Hopefully not everybody is too hungover and partied too hard last night. But alright guys, I'll catch you guys once we get to the Cars and Coffee. Alright, I don't know if you guys are going to be tall enough to see, but we are about to drive by and see if it looks like Exotics and Espressos is going to be worth it today. Be able to maybe get a peep over the wall right here. Oh yeah, definitely looks pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be a good event. Might have made a good decision to come out the day after the 4th. Super busy. Some C8s. Got a couple of cars. Ooh. Convertible SL. AMG GT. Night Rider. Some Mustang. Got a couple cool cars.
Looks like people are liking it so far. Keep the tank down. Let's push that thing back down. Yeah. Stickers, STICKERZ. Should be the top one. Yes, sir. Oh, no. Yeah, no, I have nothing on here that says it's me on this bike.
Dude, I haven't seen you out. I don't think I've ever seen you out.
I'm selling it right now. Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, so the pink one, but it's been black. So I put back the stock black fairings on it. So I've been to this like once or twice with Kay, but they'll come. I think it's my second time.
Yeah, because Kay was here last time. Him and his buddy came on the H2s.
Yeah, with Chase. Yeah, no. So like I said, this one hasn't been out since his meet. This is the first time he's been to this event. So I really showed it off the first time at his meet. Oh, really?
Completely honest.
Cool. That's awesome. Yeah, no.
With the forged carbon, it's
It's definitely a little wild. What's up, bro? What's happening? Yeah, it's been a minute. Yeah, no, definitely forged carbon is loud.
You're repping the NBN brand? NBN for the Illuso meat?
No. It hasn't came in yet.
Oh, so
no. This is still how it is since the Illuso. I just haven't had it. It's still waiting for it to come in.
It's ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, no. Like I said, there's still more.
Such a sick boat.
Thank you. Yeah, waiting. It's probably going to be about a month left because Chase company Forged, they make it to order because Forged isn't super popular. So it's like a 2-month process after 2 to 3 months because you got to order it, then they got to make it.
I feel that.
Since it's not popular.
Made? Thailand?
I couldn't even tell you. I'm not sure.
I need to get carbon on my S1000. I'm gonna get there though. It's just like it's not cheap.
No, it's not. No. This was a pretty penny.
Carbon life is not cheap.
No,
bro.
It is cheap because I came from carbon. And like my carbon hood on my CTSV is $5,000 alone. You can build like half of damn near close to a full bike for $5,000. So in my head, like it's still not cheap. $5,000 is not cheap.
That might budget me to even get some carbon rims on that. And
literally, it's about the same price. I thought about that's probably one of going to be the next mods to throw some carbon rims on it.
Oh, okay.
And it's not on there yet, but that's probably going to be one of the next mods. But that's how I'm able to justify it. It's the same price as the carbon
hood. Would you
hood.
just get regular Tiwa, or like, are you gonna get like colored?
Colored. I'm for sure probably going to do a red or a blue. More likely red forged.
Dude, that's gonna be like. Didn't IMK get a red?
Kind of. He kind of did the like a burgundy to match the Super Veloce. So similar to that.
Okay, bet.
But I think the red forged would go crazy with this red. So yeah, no. In time.
Would that company be able to like paint match or like that similar red, right? I'm assuming.
On the carbon?
Like the rim part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So their forged is a little bit smaller. So these are really big pieces. The rim company, they're a lot smaller. They're more like Lamborghini, like the Performante forged. So that's the only thing I wasn't sure about is it's a little bit smaller, but I think it'll still look sick.
Dude, it's gonna be nasty. I mean, it's already nasty.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so there's still some more. There's still a couple more pieces coming in. And
you're gonna go titanium bolts?
I think I'm gonna go red stainless. Red stainless or blue stainless, I don't know.
Okay. I'm thinking
it looks the exact, like I said, it doesn't look any different than titanium. So it's like, what's the point of dropping?
And they run crazy.
$4,000 in bolts of red titanium, or I could drop 500 in red stainless. Like, and it's like, what am I gonna save? Like 7 ounces, 8 ounces?
Like 8 ounces or something.
With doing every bike bolt, like it ain't worth it at that point. No, to drop $5,000 for 8 ounces, no. It's something long term maybe just to say it's all titanium, but there's no need for it right now to drop. When I don't have the extra $5,000, there's no need to drop $5,000 on bolts.
No, I agree, bro.
But yeah, no. Yeah, whenever you're ready to get stuff, like I said, Kay's company, like,
you have a discount code yet?
He won't. I don't think he's gonna do them. I've talked to him about it.
No.
I've been trying to bug him. Like, hey, let me get it.
I've been waiting. I was like, yo, maybe he's gonna get one. He's gonna drop a code.
Maybe. Hey, I'll ask him. I'll tell him it's one of the homies.
Maybe
like,
get my homie a cut from the sales.
Yeah. I'll talk to him. I know a few people have asked, and I'm like, hey, we gotta do something. But we'll see. But anything else you do want, hit me up, because I could get hookups on everything. I know he does the carbon, but anything you want, gear, levers, lever guards, I got a hookup for all of that stuff.
Really?
Yeah, like,
dude,
I'm actually doing a review on these. They sent them to me.
What?
By a company, and they're actually a really nice glove.
Dude, these look sick.
They're gonna send me. These are a little expensive. These are their 450. They're their highest rated race ones, but they have some cheaper ones. So, and they're offering 15% off right now for anything Revit through Daisuke, my partner company.
Okay.
Like I said, and this is my favorite part about it is the dual open wrist. So you know how it's a struggle to get your hand in when your hands are sweaty? With it dual open, like if you want to throw it on. Like it makes it so easy to slide on. And then the Titan, like it feels so much more secure.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Like I said, to get your wrist in is so much nicer. I know it's such a struggle. Like that's what I hate about like Dainese and everything else. This part, like your hands are getting sweaty from riding. You try to slide your glove on, you're struggling.
These are actually nice.
Yeah, like I said, for the price, I think they're really good, and they have the stitch pinky that most gloves don't.
Oh yeah, right here. Yeah. Damn. Okay, bro.
Yeah, and then you actually do the inside one first.
Oh, my
yeah, so you would go that one, and then.
Oh.
And it feels so, like I said.
Oh damn. Okay.
Yeah, and like I said, these are only worn 3 times, so they broke in. They rode that day to K's event.
Oh,
one other ride for me to review them, and then today. So they're super soft and break in quick.
Hell yeah, bro.
So yeah, message me about it. Like I said,
will.
Daisuke's doing it, and like I said, there's going to be cheaper ones. These ones are 450. They're going to send me a 350 and a 250, all gauntlets.
Okay.
Just to review and see how I like them.
I definitely need new lever. One second.
Yeah.
Yeah, because like when I bought this bike, it came with these lame ass levers. So I'm trying to get some new levers though. So if you got the plug for levers,
I do. Literally shoot me a message,
or I'll hit you.
Let me know whatever ones you want, and then I'll hit up my guy and see what we could do.
Are these Carbon?
Yeah.
I might need these. How much do those run you, bro?
They're about 6. I think those ones are about 6. Yeah.
Did you get an exhaust on your bike already?
Yeah, full exhaust.
No, this is my favorite. I wish they made it for the blade. I wish they made the piece carbon. Like I like the ones where it's a little bit more carbon and then just the little windscreen.
You should look up this brand. They're from Japan.
Nobody makes anything for the blade. I couldn't find anything. Like Kay has a carbon company and he's like, they don't make it. Like I would let you know.
Because no one has the blade.
No, they're not common. They're not common. So yeah, no, I can't.
Like I was telling you last time I saw you.
Yeah.
Most hated blade. That's the only other homie that I know has.
I got added to a blade group chat. Once I bought it.
How many of you guys are?
I think in the nation, there's only like 30 of us in the group chat. Like there ain't many of us.
Yeah,
I've met like two more from Southern California that are here, but one of them bought the black fairings. I don't know if you've seen the black ones that were on it before, all black with red. So one guy is gonna start showing up. It's all black but with red accent. So it has red Fireblade, red HRC. So, but it's all gloss black.
You got a fairing kit for it?
I did, yeah. So, but cool. Well, I'm gonna walk around and see what's here. Yeah, I'll talk to you in a little while. Ooh, got a carbon S1K, carbon and white. That's actually a cool combo. A lot of carbon. A lot of carbon. What else we got over here? Nissans, Beamers. Always got love for the C6s. All the cool cars. Let me see, are we still rolling? Lotuses. That's a cool looking Porsche. Yamaha R1. Ooh, that is what we need next for a track toy, guys. I'm hoping to get a CBR 600 not too far from now, just to get a track toy to go with the blade. I think that'd be a lot of fun to have both the 600 and the. I don't even want to call the Fireblade a 1000. You know, have a 600 with the triple R. There you go. That's a better way of saying it, because you know it's not just a 1000. It is a triple R SP. As you guys saw, it's a hyper bike walker. Good amount of R8s that we did walk down this road. We got the Knight Rider car. Wow, this satinish black color. Oh, it looks. Is it vinyl? That's weird looking. I don't even know what it is. That's a texture to it. That's odd. Ooh, I see a ZR1. I heard a little deep as I was. walking by. Ooh, a carbon hood, carbon bumper, carbon front lip GTR. Looks like he has a front intercooler too. Ooh, look at that Mercy SV though. That is a dream car right there. Is it the gated manual? Nope, it's not manual, but it's still a Mercy SV. So that's part of one of the dream collection cars. That is probably one of, if not the best sounding car you'll ever hear. Just a high pitch, oof, sounds absolutely amazing. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause you guys right here. I'm gonna go inside and get a water to chug real quick, and then I will catch you guys in a second. All right, it is time for us to gear up right now. Put this thing away. Somebody's over there getting some sick shots of me putting on the gloves, so trying not to pay too much attention. That's closed. That was a great event. I was not sure, really skeptical on coming out the day after 4th of July, honestly, and almost didn't. Like I said, I was super skeptical on coming out. I did not think, oh, he got the forged carbon hood and fenders. Oh, and the front accents. Okay. But yeah, no, so I was super skeptical on coming out to the event. Just because it is the day after 4th, but that was probably one of, not crazy for bikers, but talking to everybody. I think all of the bikers went to South OC today. So most of the bikers were there, not here, which happens. Like I said, we were going more for us, and I hate going all the way down to South OC. It's so far. It is 20-ish, 25 minutes further south. So that's just a mob. But hope you guys enjoyed. We got to talk with some people. Huge shout out to Corsa Carbon again. Hopefully we were talking to some guy with the ZX10. It sounds like he is going to be hitting them up, ordering some parts, and seeing if Mally will install them for him. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything with the Fireblade, checking out some cool cars, some ZR1s. There's a couple of cool bikes there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn those post notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.